Hi friends, in this video let's talk about interesting concept waterfall chart with breakdown in the Power BI. We can observe the waterfall chart with breakdown as well as without breakdown. Here breakdown is optional parameter for our visualization. Let me show you how to generate, how to visualize the data in a waterfall model in the Power BI. So let me go to the Power BI window. This is the place where I am planning to visualize my data. Let me load my data. So let me click on get data, click on SQL server. Here let's provide a server name. My server name is SQL 2012 dot slash SQL 2012. So once you click on OK, here it will show you the list of databases which are available in your server. Here I am planning to take a famous AdventureWorks data warehouse 2012. So that is a data warehouse which is having a lot of data for my visualization. So let me expand that AdventureWorks data warehouse 2012 and let me select what are all the tables I am planning to use for my visualization. Here my first table is dim date, so which contains a calendar related information, date, year and month, quarter information, and let me select some product related tables. So dim product category, dim product subcategory. So whenever I select the table name in the left side, right side, I can see the list of some sample data along with column headers and some fact table, one fact table. Here, if you observe, I have selected dim date, dim product category, dim product subcategory, and fact internet sales. Total 5 tables I have selected. In the right side, I can see the sample data in a particular table. So once you are okay with the table selection, let's click on load. Once you click on load, based on the size of the data, it may take a time to load into in memory of the Power BI. So let's wait for a while here. As my warehouse having a little amount of data, that's the reason why it takes a while. So now if you see, I have these many tables which I can see in the fields section. Now let me go to the visualization. So let me drag and drop the waterfall. If you see in the visualization, there is a chart. If you click over on the particular icon, you can see that waterfall chart. Let's double click on it. So this is the waterfall. Let me make it a little bigger one, right? So now, so this is a waterfall chart I need to configure. So let me select date column first, calendar year into the category. So I selected calendar into the category section. So it is loading. If you see this, now let's come back to the, let me minimize the date field and let me go to the fact internet sales and let's select the total sales, the sales amount into the y-axis. Yeah, if you see this 2005, the sale amount is around like 2 million or something like that. Let me enable two labels as well so that you can see that. Yeah, right. So if you see this 2005, this much of sales. 2006 total sales is around 6.6. This is around 9.3. This is 10.4. Total is 29.4. If you see the total sales in the year of in the total year. Now if you see the 2008 sales, this is a 10 millions around. So this is the without breakdown. So this is how we visualize the data without breakdown. Now let me go to the book, go back to the report. See, this is a without breakdown. Now I am planning to add any of the either product category or product subcategory to see the data in the breakdown manner. To see the data in a breakdown manner. So now let me go to the dim product category table. Let me add English product name to the breakdown. If you see in the visualization, so there is a breakdown section. I'm just highlighting, I'm just showing it with a mouse. Breakdown. If you add your field into the breakdown, then it will show you, so what is the sale of the particular category, what is the sale of the particular product. You can see that. Let me add English product name to the breakdown section. If you see this, now let me make it a little bigger size. Yeah, if you see this till here, let me highlight that section till here. 1 minute, let me highlight. Yeah, so till here, yeah, if you see the sales here, till here only. Yeah, if you see here the sales, so 3.6 million, 0 million and 0 million. So the contributor here is the major contributor in 2005 is bikes, and there is no contribution from the accessories and clothing. Now if you go back to the 2006, if you go to the 2006 sales contribution, the total sales is around 6.6 million. So out of which the contribution of the bikes is 2.3, and next contribution is 0.3 millions and 0.1 millions. So apart from the 2005 sales. Now if you go to the next 2007, the contribution is, major contribution is 0.8 million here, and 0.2 million here, and 0.1 million here. The difference, if you see here, there is a not much major sales, but you have a sale difference between 2007 and 2008. Now, so here also the major sales here is this bikes. Here it is. This is also bikes only. Okay, so now you don't have a waterfall or a breakdown between 2004 and 2005, because it is starting from 2005 only, it is ending at the 2008. So that is the reason why. So post 2008 and pre 2005, there is no breakdown actually. So you will be having breakdown between 2005 and 2006, 2006 and 2007, 2007 and 2008. So totally you will be having only 3 breakdowns. One breakdown is this, the second breakdown is this, third breakdown is this. So this is on the English product category name, bikes, accessories, clothing. If you want to go with some little subcategory wise, so you can select that even. You can see the breakdown on the subcategory as well. So let me add that also to the breakdown. Let me remove this and let me add to that breakdown. If I click cancel it, then it automatically goes, and it won't show you that category wise information. Now it will show you the year on year information, 2005, 2006, 7, 8 and 9 here, if you see that. Now, so let me go to the dim product subcategory. Let me select the English product subcategory name to the breakdown. Let me drag and drop that. So once I drag and drop, let me drag and drop. Yeah, so once I drag and drop, so if you see this, let me make it a, yeah, let me minimize this so that I can see the report in a bigger way. Now if you see the sales here, so now the total, the major contribution between the total bikes, actually we already know that. So even though in that bikes, the contribution from the bikes is a road bikes 2.6 million, and mountain bikes are 1 million, and there is no contribution from other bikes even. Okay, next in 2006, so we have a contribution from bikes and other categories as well. If you see, from mountain bikes and turning bikes, major contribution, and the remaining contribution is little less, and there is a deviation, like there is a negative sales even in the road bikes compared with 2005. Okay, so that may impact the income even. So around like in 2005, so in between 2005 and 6, the sales is 2.6 million, but here there is no sales, even deviation is 1.2 million deviation here on the road bikes. Now if you go to the next sales, so turning bikes and mountain bikes is in a positive manner, and even road bikes is in a negative manner. Means there is a less number of sales between 2007 and 8. So here in this breakdown, you can see the sales breakdown in the subcategory wise. So earlier only bikes, accessories and clothing, but here you can see in the bikes there are many categories: road bikes, mountain bikes, and bike racks, bike stands, and some other categories. You can see now. So clearly you can see road bikes is a positive sales in between 2005 and 6, and road bikes is a like there might be very less sales in 2000 between 2007 6 and 7, and even also the sales is little less in compared to 2007 and 2008. So this is how we analyze, this is how the business people analyze the visualization, and they'll take the business decision so based on the chart. So now they'll consider so why it is going on a less sales and all, and they'll take a decision. They may go for a model change or something like that, and they'll take care of that. So this is how we do the waterfall chart with them, breakdown, with breakdown and without breakdown. So that's it about a waterfall chart with breakdown, without breakdown. So if you have any questions, please comment your questions in the comment section, and please provide your valuable feedback. I'm very happy to hear the feedback. Thank you. Please subscribe for more Power BI and MS BI and SQL videos. That's it. Thank you for watching.